So this PC is now working, but it had a problem that when you were playing media or sound, it kept on disconnecting the sound, reconnecting. Like you hear the audio, then the next minute it's off, like that. So when I opened it up, there is a membrane that normally covers the motherboard. When I had opened this PC earlier, I forgot to put it. So it lies between the motherboard and this front surface. So after putting it back, I noticed that it stopped doing that. So I am suspecting it was a result of static charge that board sort of protects it from the frame, or it was also insulating it from the frame. Or the other probable reason is that the speaker wasn't plugged in properly, and unplugging it and plugging it back solved the problem. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.